We are going to take a quick look at a 2016 Chicago Pneumatic QRS 15 rotary screw compressor. The 15 stands for 15 horsepower. It is mounted to a 120-gallon pressure vessel. It is capable of 150 psi at 49.2 CFM or 125 psi at 54.9 CFM. It currently has 14,667 hours on it. It's quiet running. This is my master key set. It's nice and clean inside. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or you give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.